In this video, we finally had a Bitcoin breakout. But the question is the movement sustainable and how will this affect the crypto market? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So yeah, diba kahapon we were monitoring this movement. Yung previous analysis natin, we had a Bitcoin decision time dito but this led to a resistance. And then diba yesterday we were expecting somewhat of a bounce but right now we did not see that bounce. And what happened instead was nagkaroon tayo ng breakout sa ating support. But the problem with this breakout ngayon sa ating support is we are now not having any sell volume. So indicating na this is not a confirmed move to the downside. So typically kasi 'di ba, if we are going to break this movement to the downside, what we wanted to see is for us to see a sell volume to the downside. Pero right now wala tayong nakikitang sell volume for the time being. So indicating na this is not a confirmed move yet to the downside. Pero the moment na magkaroon tayo ng sell volume dito, then doon tayo makita ng movement up until the $42,000 US dollars. Pero right now, wala tayong movement. Wala pa din tayong exact trade dito kasi look at that. There are still no indicators pa din if we are going to continue to the downside. Kasi nga, yun nga, wala tayong sell volume. And on top of that, ito din yung maganda tingnan ngayon. Kasi diba, nagkaroon tayo ng break to the downside pero walang sell volume. But if you're going to look at the RSI is still having a higher high or higher low pa din siya. So, ayun no. Yung RSI natin is forming still a bullish divergence. And in fact, ngayon, mas clear na siya kasi if you're going to look at this, if let's say, i-continue natin yung trend, makita mo na declining yung price still, but the RSI is still increasing. So right now, we can still monitor that movement. Pero I think ang pwede natin dito i-discount or pwede din natin pag-usapan ngayon dito is this new resistance forming. And you can see na meron din isa pang resistance forming dito sa ating Bitcoin price. I mean, Bitcoin support actually. So as you can see, may support tayo. So, you can see na meron tayong bounce within the 4-hour time frame. So, that's what we can monitor right now for the Bitcoin price. And we can still continue this trend kasi yun nga, wala tayong sell volume. So, right now, I think ang maganda din tingnan is this. If you're going to get a bounce dito, ang kailangan natin ma-break is yung 46,000.6K. And if ma-break natin yan, then I think pwede tayo makakuha ng movement up until the 48,000. Kasi that is the resistance na nakita natin dito. Pero ayan guys, to summarize it and to sum it all up, nagkaroon tayo ng breakout pero walang sell volume so we might continue this downtrend instead. So right now, ito na yung monitor natin. Moving forward, na if hanggat sa hindi tayo makakita ng sell volume dito. So right now, yun yung ating movement dito. And when it comes to trading, ano ba yung mga current trade ko ngayon? So, yung aking Bing Bond trade or Bing X trade saka si, kay Phoenix, nag-close na yung aking position ko. Diba nag-set ako ng stop loss around the 45.5K. Na-hit yung stop loss ko. So right now, wala ako ngayong open na long position or short position ngayon sa Bing X pati kay Phoenix. Pero when it comes to Bybit, meron pa din ako naka-open na long position dito. Kasi diba yung open ko is around the 46 or 47. Diyan ako nag-open. And yeah, as of now, naka-open pa din siya. And I'm down actually negative 6%. Pero yun nga, may stop loss ako at the 45.5K. Then, nag-set ako ulit ng panibagong stop loss. Actually, I think that is around the 45K kasi that is a very, very low leverage. And yeah, so right now, yun yung aking positions ko na naka-open pa din ngayon. So if magkaroon tayo ng rebound, then of course, mag-take profit ako partially dito. Pero the moment na ma-break natin tong resistance with buy volume, then doon ako mag-open ng panibagong long position both in Bybit as well as with Bing X and of course kay Phoenix. Pero right now, if yun nga, we badly need volume in order for us to see a move. Kasi right now, we are not seeing any volume in any move dito, either bullish or bearish. So right now, keep calm muna tayo and just buy the dip if you still have bala pa din. Pero right now, wala pang opportunity ngayon. So there's not a swing tradable opportunity. Though you can say na pwede mo i-swing trade itong bagong falling wedge. Pero yeah, I think this is too early to tell for us to play. Pero yeah, you can play that one out. So that is my latest analysis for today kay Bitcoin price. And the question is, how is this going to affect the crypto market? So let's go back to the Bitcoin dominance movement. And as you can see, the Bitcoin dominance is still declining following this falling channel. And as you can see, may movement tayo dyan with the Bitcoin dominance. And I think meron tayong support dito. So if magkaroon tayo ng bounce dyan, then we might see Bitcoin to perform better. But right now, since we are on a declining dominance, this is indicating na altcoins are currently performing better against Bitcoin. So that's why Ethereum is actually looking healthy right now if we're going to look at the Ethereum chart. So pasadahan natin siya mamaya. Pero yun nga, right now this is actually declining, and remember, declining Bitcoin dominance is an indicator na mas healthy ating altcoins, pero if pataas yung dominance, that would indicate na mas healthy si Bitcoin. So right now, ito ating ma-monitor, and yun nga, if ma-break natin tong falling channel na movement, and then ang magiging target natin dito is actually the top of the channel, and that would be our next target dito kay Bitcoin dominance, and that would indicate na Bitcoin is going to perform better if ma-break natin tong falling channel. So yeah, that is for the Bitcoin dominance. So right now, we are just going to keep calm and huddle muna and just wait for Bitcoin make a move, especially dito sa bounce na yan. We badly need a buy volume in order for us to confirm a move dito kay Bitcoin price. And now let's talk about Ethereum, kasi look at this. Kay Ethereum, we're still playing this one out dito sa ating falling wedge. And diba, sabi ko sa inyo, just like any other altcoins like Axie Infinity, BNB, and many more, it's actually playing a similar pattern right now dito kay Ethereum. As you can see, merong falling wedge. And yeah, this is yet to play out kasi wala pa tayong breakout dito sa ating falling wedge. And yun nga, makita mo na ating RSI is actually increasing, indicating na we might see a bullish trend reversal anytime soon. So right now, I think the whole crypto market is actually more of bleeding. Similar with the Bitcoin price, it's bleeding. Pero yun nga, dami natin bullish indicators. It's just a question na when are we going to see that movement? Kasi as you can see, even though na nagde-decline yung ating market, wala tayong nakikitang sell volume across all coins. So that is indicating and telling us na it's not actually a best time to sell, but it's actually a best time to re-enter. So right now, it's just a matter of proper positioning lang talaga dito sa ating crypto market. So yun yung ating makikita natin ngayon, and sa mga trades ko kanina, yung mga sinabi ko, yun yung aking mga tinitingnan ngayon. And guys, if you want to claim bonus dito sa mga ating trading platform, you can actually use my sign-up code that you can find in the description down below, as well as in BingX, Phoenix, Bybit, Binance, and many more. You can all find that in the description down below. So ayun muna update natin for today, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video, and bye-bye for now.